Chapter 1. Numbers and Numeration. Extension of numbers. In Class 4, we have dealt with numbers up to 10 lakh.
Though we know that the number system can be extended up to crores and even beyond.
Before moving further, let us recall some of the facts that we have already learned in the previous class. Counting numbers or natural numbers. The numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on are called counting numbers or natural numbers. Whole numbers. When we add 0 to the set of natural numbers, we get whole numbers. So, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on are called whole numbers. Digits. Every whole number is made up of one or more of the symbols 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These symbols are called digits or figures. Remember, 1 is the smallest natural number and 0 is the smallest whole number. But there is no largest whole number or natural number because each number has its successor. Numbers up to 9 digits. We know that the smallest 5-digit number is 10,000 and the largest 5-digit number is 99,999. Successor of 99,999 is 99,999 plus 1 is equal to 1 lakh. 1 lakh is the smallest 6-digit number and 9,99,999 is the largest 6-digit number. Successor of 9,99,999 is 9,99,999 plus 1 is equal to 10 lakh. 10 lakh is the smallest 7-digit number and 99,99,999 is the largest 7-digit number. Successor of 99,99,999 is 99,99,999 plus 1 is equal to 1 crore. It is the smallest 8-digit number and 9,99,99,999 is the largest 8-digit number. Successor of 9,99,99,999 is 9,99,99,999 plus 1 is equal to 10 crore. It is the smallest 9-digit number. Indian system of numeration. In the place value chart shown, the periods are ones, thousands, lakhs and crores, and the places are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores and 10 crores. Remember, in the Indian place value chart, one's period contains 3 digits and the remaining periods contain 2 digits. For example, the numeral 23 crore 5 lakh 86,721 can be written in the place value chart in the following manner: 1 under 1's column, 2 under 10's column, 7 under 100's column, 6 under 1000's column, 8 under 10,000's column, 5 under lakhs column, 0 under 10 lakhs column, 3 under crores column, 2 under 10 crores column. It is read as 23 crore 5 lakh 86,721. Place value. The place value of any digit is the product of the digit with its position. For example, the place values of various digits in numeral 73 crore 25 lakh 67,043 are: the place value of 3 is 3, the place value of 4 is 40, the place value of 0 is 0, the place value of 7 is 7,000, the place value of 6 is 60,000. The place value of 5 is 5 lakh. The place value of 2 is 20 lakh. The place value of 3 is 3 crore. The place value of 7 is 70 crore. Expanded form and short form.
If a number is written in the form of the sum of its each digit, then it is called expanded form. For example, the expanded form of the number 23 crore 5 lakh 86,721 is 2 10 crore plus 3 crore plus 5 lakh plus 8 10,000 plus 6,000 plus 700 plus 210 plus 1 1.
The original form of the number is known as its standard form or short form.
For example, the short form or standard form of 60 crore plus 8 crore plus 20 lakh plus 10,000 plus 500 plus 60 plus 5 is 68 crore 20 lakh 10,565. Successor and predecessor. To find the successor of a number, we add 1 to the number. For example, successor of 51 crore 95 lakh 54,319 is 51 crore 95 lakh 54,319 plus 1 is equal to 51 crore 95 lakh 54,320. To find the predecessor of a number, we subtract 1 from the number. For example, predecessor of 29 crore 87 lakh 65,890 is 29 crore 87 lakh 65,890 minus 1 is equal to 29 crore 87 lakh 65,889. International System of Numeration. In class 4, we have already learned the international system of numeration up to millions. Here, we shall learn up to billions. Look at the place value chart shown below. In the place value chart shown, the periods are ones, thousands, millions, and billions, and the places are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions, billions, 10 billions, and 100 billions. For example, the numeral
2,179,605,283
can be written in the place value chart in the following manner: 3 under 1's column, 8 under 10's column, 2 under 100's column, 5 under 1000's column, 0 under 10,000's column, 6 under 100,000's column, 9 under millions column, 7 under 10 millions column, 1 under 100 millions column, 2 under billions column. It is read as 2,179,605,283. Comparison of large numbers. Comparing numbers having different number of digits. A number containing greater number of digits is always greater than the number containing lesser number of digits. For example, 67 crore 25 lakh 37,198 is greater than 7 crore 68 lakh 73,918. Comparing numbers having same number of digits. First, compare the digits in the leftmost place if they are equal, then compare the second digits from the left and so on. For example, to compare 2 crore 45 lakh 62,004 and 2 crore 68 lakh 79,906. First, compare the leftmost digits, which are 2 in the both numbers. So, these are equal. Now, we compare second digits from the left, which are 4 and 6. Here, 4 is lesser than 6. So, 2 crore 45 lakh 62,004 is lesser than 2 crore 68 lakh 79,906. Ascending and descending order. When we write the numbers from smallest to greatest, it is called ascending order, and when we write the numbers from greatest to smallest, it is called descending order.
For example, the ascending order of the numbers 67 crore 76 lakh 76,676. 67 crore 66 lakh 76,676. 8 crore 54 lakh 32,108. 88 lakh 88,870. Ascending order 88 lakh 88,870. 8 crore 54 lakh 32,108.
67 crore 66 lakh 76,676. 67 crore 76 lakh 76,676. Descending order. 67 crore 76 lakh 76,676. 67 crore 66 lakh 76,676. 8 crore 54 lakh 82,108. 88 lakh 88,870.
Writing greatest and smallest number using given digits.
To write the greatest number using the given digits, we write the greatest digit on the extreme left. Then, write the next greatest digit to its right, and so on.
Similarly, to write the smallest number using the given digits, we write the smallest digit on the extreme left. Then, write the next smallest digit to its right, and so on. For example, to write the greatest and smallest numbers using the digits 0, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 without repeating them. The greatest number is 98765,310 and the smallest number is 10356789. Rounding off large numbers. A large number may be rounded off to the nearest 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, and so on. Rounding off a number to the nearest 10. While rounding off a number to the nearest 10, we look at the ones place digit. If it is less than 5, then we replace it by 0 and write the remaining digits as it is. If the digit in the ones place is greater than or equal to 5, then replace the ones place by 0 and increase the tens place by 1. For example, the numeral
5,97,324
will be rounded to the nearest 10 as
5,97,320.
since one's digit is less than 5. The numeral
2,39,637
will be rounded to the nearest 10 as
2,39,640.
since one's digit is greater than 5. Rounding off a number to the nearest 100. While rounding off a number to the nearest 100, we look at the tens digit. If it is less than 5, then we replace the ones and tens digit by 0 and write remaining digits as it is. If the digit in the tens place is greater than or equal to 5, then we replace the ones and tens digit by 0 and increase the hundreds place by 1. For example, the numeral
1,01,534
will be rounded to the nearest 100 as
1,01,500.
since tens digit is less than 5 and the numeral
2,74,789
will be rounded to the nearest 100 as
2,74,800
since the tens digit is greater than 5. Rounding off a number to the nearest 1000. While rounding off a number to the nearest 1000, we look at the hundreds digit. If it is less than 5, then we replace the hundreds, tens and ones place digit by 0 and write the remaining digits as it is. And if the digit in the hundreds place is greater than or equal to 5, then we replace the ones, tens and hundreds places by 0 and increase the thousands place by 1. For example, the numeral
4,24,173
will be rounded to the nearest 1000 as
4,24,000.
since hundreds digit is less than 5. And the numeral 78,49,841 will be rounded to the nearest 1000 as 78,50,000 since hundreds digit is greater than 5. Number patterns. We find many types of patterns in numbers. Look at the patterns shown below. Square numbers. A square number is a number multiplied by itself. That is, 1 into 1 or 1 squared is equal to 1. 2 into 2 or 2 squared is equal to 4. 3 into 3 or 3 squared is equal to 9. 4 into 4 or 4 squared is equal to 16. 5 into 5 or 5 squared is equal to 25, and so on. The pattern of square number is 1, 4, 9, 25, and so on. Triangular numbers. The numbers required to complete a triangle are called triangular numbers. Look at the arrangement of numbers shown below. Here, the numerals 1 to 15 are showing a pattern of triangular number.